Hey everyone, it's Sanfisha here. Welcome back to my channel, where we learn to draw all kinds of cool things. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean because we're going to draw a fish. But before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun drawing lessons. In this video, we'll learn how to draw and color a happy little fish. It's super easy, and we'll be using some fun colors to bring it to life. Let's get started. Look how a fish enjoys swimming around in the sea, blowing bubbles, and wiggling through the water. We're going to capture that fun moment in our drawing today. Alright, let's start. First, we'll draw some bubbles around the fish, just like the ones you see in the ocean. Start by drawing little circles, some big, some small. Now, onto the fish. Start with the fish's body, which is a simple oval or teardrop shape. Draw the tail at the back, make it curvy and flowing, like it's swishing through the water. Next, we'll draw the gills on the side, with a small curved line. Now, let's add some fun patterns on the fish's body, maybe stripes or little spots, whatever you like. Don't forget to give your fish big, happy eyes to make it look cute and friendly. Now for the best part, coloring. Let's start with blue for the bubbles to make them look light and fresh. For the fish's body, we'll use a beautiful blend of blue, purple, and orange. You can make the tail orange to stand out, the body purple, and maybe add some blue details to make it even more colorful. Have fun with it and make it as vibrant as you want. Great job, everyone! Look at how cool your fish looks swimming in the sea. If you had fun drawing today, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy and creative drawings.